Last year, when the popular crypto YouTuber Dan Gambardella shared a tweet encouraging crypto holders, there was probably a wave of optimism. Not every crypto expert does that. This year started on a strong note that a bull season is approaching and every investor should be prepared. So, dear Cardano holders, you'll be surprised at what's coming. The Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson recently praised the growth of the network, even as ADA enthusiasts brace for a potential bullish move in price. In a broadcast, Hoskinson highlighted a report by Messari, a blockchain analytics firm, which showed that Cardano's total value lock increased by 160% quarter-on-quarter in 2023, and his ranking moved up from 11th place to 34th place. Of course, the Cardano founder was pretty much excited. Hoskinson emphasized the significance of these figures, stating that they reflect the increasing adoption of the use of the Cardano network. He also pointed out that the stablecoin value increased by 37% year-on-year, and that the ADA price increased by 127% quarter-on-quarter, outpacing the overall crypto market by 53%. Notably, the Messari report reflected significant progress being made by developers in the Cardano ecosystem, especially concerning Midnight, Cardano's data protection-focused partner chain. According to Hoskinson, these developments in other core infrastructure such as Sonar, Hydra, and Milko Meta were critical for the network's growth and interoperability with other blockchain networks. Also, Charles Hoskinson highlighted the increasing number of average daily transactions, active addresses, and the network's strength. He pointed out that the network continues to grow and get more saturated, which is a positive sign for the network's long-term prospects. And yes, the ADA coin price will get a ride on a bullish run. In the broadcast, Hoskinson mentioned that Cardano's treasury balance, which currently holds 1.43 billion ADA, equivalent to 6.861 million, ready to be deployed for the growth of Cardano. He called it a sovereign wealth fund for the ecosystem.
So, long and the short is that Cardano is growing strong. Things are looking good. Thank you for Messari for writing in a decent report.
Charles Hoskinson probably added this because Messari has been noted as a platform that reports less about Cardano ADA and the blockchain, and when it does, the reports are quite unimpressive. Now, things are changing. Hoskinson concluded the broadcast by expressing his pride in the Cardano community and the enormous effort they have to put in to build the network. He emphasized that the network is growing rapidly and is on track to become a vibrant ecosystem in the coming years.
And we're growing and growing and growing and growing. So 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, at that rate of growth, you can see how vibrant of an ecosystem Cardano is going to be.
This looks good. Charles Hoskinson's praise for Cardano's growth comes at a time when ADA shows signs of a potential bullish move. Notably, ADA has been demonstrating strength with a series of higher highs and higher lows, after bouncing off the 45-cent support, indicating a potential uptrend. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, has expressed confidence in the future of the network, underscoring its potential to surpass Ethereum in the realm of decentralized finance and blockchain innovation. Also, on the most recent updates from the Cardano founder, speaking during a recent interview with Dan Gambardella, host of Crypto Capital Venture YouTube channel, Hoskinson noted the remarkable growth of Cardano's ecosystem, especially in the face of challenging market conditions. He emphasized the community's dedication and collaborative efforts in moving Cardano forward. Regardless of the initial skepticism labeling Cardano as a ghost chain, he stressed how the project had defied expectations, boasting over $500 million in total value locked during a bear market. "We have had overwhelming participation in constant growth and innovation," said Hoskinson, pointing out the vibrant activity within the Cardano ecosystem, with numerous projects and transactions fueling its expansion. Addressing criticisms and comparisons to Ethereum, Hoskinson explained Cardano's steady progress and its distinct approach to scalability, governance, and innovation. He pointed out the misconceptions surrounding benchmarks like TVL and ADA price, emphasizing the significance of Cardano's comprehensive roadmap and its focus on building a robust infrastructure. "We know how to scale. We know how to get fast finality. We know how to get partner chains in. We know how to get rollups in," Hoskinson asserted, outlining Cardano's strategic initiatives to address scalability and network efficiency. Well, so many know-hows. Furthermore, according to him, a pivotal aspect of Cardano's future success lies in its governance model and the utilization of its treasury funds. With nearly $750 million worth of ADA in Cardano's treasury, Hoskinson underpinned the community's governance over these resources, enabling strategic investments and economic growth and development. Moreover, Hoskinson focused on Cardano's collaborative approach and budding partnership with other blockchain projects. He also highlighted the interoperability and synergies fostered by Cardano's partner chains framework, enabling seamless integration with other blockchain ecosystems. Charles Hoskinson expressed confidence in Cardano's potential to become the dominant governance system in the crypto space, toppling networks such as Ethereum. We are getting recursion in rollups, and that means all the stuff that's happening in Ethereum not only works on Cardano, works best on Cardano. So we will probably be one of the dominant zero-knowledge layers thanks to all the work, he added. In light of recent developments like the Intersect platform and advancements in scalability solutions, Hoskinson asserted that Cardano is poised for exponential growth, encouraging a shift away from tribalism and adversarial dynamics within the crypto space. This highlights the collective benefits of collaboration and innovation. Speaking of the comparisons between the performances of Cardano and Ethereum, this brings us to memories of when a former Ethereum advisor, Steven Nerioff, criticized Vitalik Buterin's decision to let Charles Hoskinson go in the early days of Ethereum. He made these claims last year. As the leading smart contract layer 1 platform, Ethereum has indeed achieved enormous success, though it continues to face security vulnerabilities and scaling limitations. To strengthen the network, Ethereum's developers regularly propose complex new technical improvements, such as Vitalik Buterin's post about off-chain plasma technology to boost scalability last year. Steven Nerioff swiftly criticized this proposal. He accused Buterin of copying rival blockchain Cardano ADA, even labeling the decision to part ways with Charles Hoskinson during the project's early days as a major mistake. In this tirade against Ethereum and its founders, Nerioff alleged that the platform is merely copying Cardano's approach to scaling. According to Nerioff, Buterin's major mistake was ditching Hoskinson, who later went on to build Cardano. As Nerioff asserted, the irony is that Ethereum has been emulated the very person they once dismissed. Are the clueless smug at Ethereum cultists who got rid of Charles happy now that the boy genius is copying Cardano? He remarked. Doubling down on the statement, Nerioff claimed that the crypto industry would have been better off if Hoskinson and Gavin Wood had remained at Ethereum, and it had instead been Buterin and Joseph Lubin who departed. He added, interestingly, this is touched upon in the recording. I suggest everyone listen and I'll expand afterwards as it's not a simple answer, but you asked a very poignant question. It's not apples to apples, but their recent partnership could be extremely positive for crypto. I'll say this. While someone attributed Nerioff's outburst to his past conflicts with Ethereum, others contended that Ethereum is indeed replicating Cardano's approach to solving blockchain trilemma. Nerioff is not the only one with these opinions though. Most times we tend to note the things that Ethereum is implementing that aligns with the Cardano network. Cardano Yoda also pointed out that Buterin's plasma proposal bears a resemblance to Cardano's Hydra scaling approach. In addition, Cardano Yoda also drew parallels with a prior paper authored by Buterin on liquid staking, which is a concept that Cardano implemented during the Shelley era in April of 2020. A tweet read, in the last paper, Vitalik talked about liquid staking. Now we see a paper regarding UTXO models and something that looks a lot like Hydra. It seems to me that hashtag Cardano is going in the right direction and Ethereum is the one catching up. Correct me if I'm wrong. In response to Buterin's proposal for plasma scaling, Hoskinson posted the meme of Kermit the Frog and Christian Bale nodding at one another with no further commentary. Well, Cardano and Ethereum, though similar in their approaches, are at different paces, and they would make their unique marks in the crypto industry. If Ethereum seems to be copying Cardano's strategies, then it suggests that Cardano is getting it right. This could further improve its chances of amassing big gains in the crypto market this year. It is a bull season, and Cardano is already setting a unique pace for hitting it big. The big takeaway from all this is to focus on the long-term outlook, not the short-term twists and turns. Trying to time a Cardano price movement is difficult, if not impossible. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.